Welcome to Best 5 Products. The best Kickasserole Dish Personalized is probably one of the most versatile and thoughtful additions you can make to your kitchen arsenal, offering a unique way to serve your favorite casseroles with a personal touch that transforms a simple meal into a memorable experience, making it an ideal gift for any home cook or a special treat for yourself. Number 5. Style Setter 3-Piece Glass Canister Set. Introducing our stylish 3-piece canister set, featuring assorted sizes to meet all your storage needs. These elegant containers are perfect for any kitchen counter or pantry shelf. Our canisters come with beautiful lids that include a seal, ensuring your dry food stays super fresh. Enjoy your cookies, coffee, flour, and sugar for longer. Crafted from thick, durable glass, these jars offer a safer alternative to plastic. Their ornate retro borders and floral embellishments add a touch of superb style to your home. These versatile containers are perfect for displaying, organizing, and storing all kinds of snacks. Keep your kitchen clutter-free with this high-end, heavy-feel set that's also dishwasher safe. Looking for a practical yet stunning gift? This chic set is an ideal choice for any special occasion, from birthdays to housewarmings. What we like? This set offers a beautiful retro aesthetic with durable glass construction. The airtight lids ensure your dry goods stay fresh for longer. If you love vintage style and want to keep your pantry organized and your food fresh, this set is a fantastic choice for cookies, coffee, or flour. What people say? I use these for my baking dry ingredients and it works great, while looking cute. The lid seals really good to keep whatever is in the jar fresh and secure. Got these and they are nice and airtight. No ants, no dry brown sugar. Number 4. Naked Woodworks Personalized Cutting Board. Searching for a unique wedding, anniversary, or birthday gift? This personalized cutting board serves as a beautiful daily reminder of their special day, blending functionality with heartfelt meaning. By choosing us, you're supporting a family-run shop that handcrafts each item with care. Your purchase directly supports American makers and brings a heartfelt gift, not a mass-produced item. Each board is made from premium natural walnut or maple, featuring a deep engraving for a lasting design. It's durable for everyday use and beautiful enough to be a treasured keepsake. Use both sides of this versatile board for prepping meals or serving. It handles everything from slicing to charcuterie with ease, elevating any occasion. This personalized cutting board, customized with names and dates, becomes a lasting keepsake. It's a thoughtful gift for weddings, anniversaries, or new homes, offering both function and emotional value. Proudly handmade in the USA, each board is crafted with attention to detail. You can also choose optional wood coasters, a display stand, and gift wrap for an even more special presentation. What we like? This item is a beautiful, handcrafted keepsake perfect for commemorating special occasions. Made from high-quality wood, it can be personalized with names and dates, serving as both a functional cutting board and a decorative piece. If you're looking for a deeply personal and meaningful gift for a wedding or anniversary, this is an excellent option. What people say? The craftsmanship and quality of the board are outstanding. The genuine hardwood gives it a beautiful and elegant finish, making it a perfect addition to my kitchen decor. I opted for the 10x14x.75 size, providing ample space for all my chopping needs. I was particularly impressed by the thoughtful details in your product, from the deep laser engraving to the handmade oil finish. It's evident that each cutting board is crafted with care and attention to detail. This is a high-quality cutting board, solid workmanship. The monogram is beautiful. The weight is perfect for the size board, not too heavy or light. Good thickness. Number 3. Personalized Casserole Baking Dish 2-liter. Introducing our 2-liter casserole baking dish, perfect for all your culinary creations. Its generous size makes it ideal for family meals and gatherings. Measuring 13.5 inches long, 2.4 inches high, and 8.1 inches wide, it's designed for convenience and versatility in your kitchen. Simply send us your personalization details after checkout to make this dish truly one of a kind. We're here to help you create something special. Enjoy our complimentary design support with no setup or artwork fees. Let your creativity flow with unlimited possibilities for customization. This makes a thoughtful and unique gift for any occasion. Celebrate birthdays, holidays, or just because with a personalized touch. We accept all customization requests, including logos, clip art, and drawings. Proofs are available upon request to ensure your satisfaction. What we like. This dish offers unparalleled customization, allowing you to add any logo, clip art, or drawing you desire with free design support. There are no setup or artwork fees, making your creative vision a reality. If you want a truly unique baking dish for yourself or as a personalized gift for any occasion, this is the perfect choice for maximum creative freedom. What people say. Came quickly and exactly as described, and the personalization looked great. The dish is just beautiful. The etching is very well done and is very attractive. It came beautifully engraved, very quick delivery, and an excellent choice for a cook in your life. Number 2. Mud Pie Pumpkin Baker Set. Get ready for the holidays with this charming 3-piece baking set. It's designed to bring a festive touch to your kitchen. The star of this set is a beautiful ceramic dish shaped like a pumpkin. It's perfect for all your favorite fall recipes. It includes an engraved wood lid that doubles as a trivet. This adds both style and functionality to your serving. A lovely silver plate spoon is also included, making it easy to serve your delicious creations. It's the perfect complement to the dish. The baking dish measures 9 by 10.5 inches, providing ample space for your casseroles and bakes. The spoon measures 9 inches long. Enjoy effortless cleanup as this set is dishwasher safe. It's also microwave and oven safe, offering great convenience. What we like. This baking dish set features a charming pumpkin shape, perfect for seasonal baking. It comes with a functional wood lid that doubles as a trivet and a lovely silver plate spoon. If you enjoy festive kitchenware and want a complete set for serving your favorite fall dishes, this is an ideal pick. What people say. My daughter will be able to serve her favorite dish in style, green bean casserole. Dishwasher safe and great for parties or for family. And of course, great for green bean casserole for Thanksgiving and Christmas. This is a very nice serving dish. Number 1. The Crafty Engineer Personalized 9 by 13 Baking Dish. Experience the elegance of our personalized 9 by 13 baking dish. It's designed for those who cherish a unique kitchen aesthetic and celebrates your individual culinary style. Elevate your baking with bakeware that reflects your passion. This dish makes your culinary creations notably special, perfect for gatherings or as a distinctive gift. Searching for a unique gift for a cooking enthusiast? This personalized baking dish is a thoughtful choice for birthdays, holidays, or any special occasion. Sized at 9 by 13, this aluminum pan is the ideal choice for a variety of recipes. It fits comfortably in most ovens and is a versatile addition to any kitchen. To preserve the personalized design, the lid requires hand washing and is not suitable for oven use. With proper care, this unique kitchenware will be cherished for years. What we like. This baking dish boasts a durable aluminum construction with high-quality laser engraving for a unique, personalized touch. It's designed for those who appreciate custom cookware that stands out. If you're a cooking enthusiast looking for a distinctive bakeware piece that makes a statement, this is a great option for everyday use or special gifts. What people say. Was worried the cake pan may not be as thick and nice as those purchased years ago. But they are still as nice and thick. Great purchase. The lid fits well. Nice quality of lettering and arrived on time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.